Force over here, and this is very exciting. When you get to star 4, that is when you become a leader. Because I don't think there is any star 4 here who does not have somebody below them. But I can see some star 4s who are not in the ecosystem. Yes? You know what it means to be in the ecosystem? Is to wear like the way I'm dressed, or like the way they are dressed. So next time, I expect you as star 4 to stand here. You need to have a t-shirt, and then you dress like the others. So that you can be, I can see him is ready for dinner. Yes. Yes. Yeah, so what I'm saying is that, even for you, next time, it is important for